Visiting post is an important part of the admissions process, and the open house program is the best opportunity to do this. Students and parents are briefed on a wide variety of topics. Many students use the program in the breakout sessions for the academic departments to choose or reaffirm their major. The primary benefit of the open house program is for a student to spend the night in barracks with a cadet host. This is a unique opportunity and the only opportunity that students have to spend the night in barracks during the recruiting process. We offer 6 open house programs per year, 3 in the fall and 3 in the spring, and registration is available online. During the program, students and parents are given presentations ranging from the post physician to the corps chaplain to financial aid, IT, every little aspect of life at post from when you matriculate until you graduate. We try to cover at some point during that weekend. Open house groups tend to range from 150 to 200 students. It starts on Friday morning and ends Saturday around noon. Prospective students are assigned a cadet host who is typically a 4th classman or RAT, and that student mirrors them through the evening, kind of learns what it's like to live in barracks and gets to speak with their current cadet host who is going through the RAT line or just completed the RAT line in the spring semester. And they get a really good picture of what's expected of them during the RAT line and throughout their 4 years at VMI. Once a prospective cadet links up with their cadet host and goes into barracks, the parents have the opportunity to attend a parents council social where they get to meet parents of current cadets and see where they fit in a support role with their student as a student at VMI versus maybe a regular college. It's a little different experience for the parents as well. If a student's unable to attend an open house during the prescribed dates, it is possible to set up an interview and tour throughout the year at VMI. You can come in and meet with the admissions counselor and have an optional interview. It is not required, but it is an option to come in, meet with a counselor, and talk about your admissions process outside of the open house program as well.